What bird is this? Rooster. Let us spell that word. R O O S T E R. Rooster. What sound does a rooster make? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does a rooster eat? A rooster eats grains, worms, lizards, and insects like ants. Rooster has a comb on the head. That is the comb. Rooster has colorful feathers. It has sharp claws. What bird is this? This is a penguin. Let us spell that word. P E N G U I N. Penguin. Birds can generally fly. But can a penguin fly? No. Penguins cannot fly. Do you know where penguins live? They live in a continent called Antarctica. Penguins live in very cold conditions. What bird is this? Eagle. Let us spell that word. E A G L E. Eagle. Eagles fly high. They have strong wings. They have a sharp beak. They also have sharp claws. What bird is this? Parrot. Let us spell that word. P A R R O T. Parrot. Did you know that some parrots can actually talk? Parrots come in many different colors. Some are green. Some are red. Some are yellow. What does a parrot eat? Grains, nuts, worms, and insects like ants. Let us do some counting. How many parrots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parrots. How many penguins are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 penguins. How many roosters are here? Easy. 2 roosters. How many eagles are here? 3 eagles. How many parrots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parrots. How many parrots are here? 2 parrots. How many roosters are here? 4 roosters. How many eagles are here? 2 eagles. How many penguins are here? 1 penguin.